Namaskar, myself Pratik. In this session, we will discuss a priori algorithm for finding association rules. We will discuss second phase, that is generation of association mining rules in this session. Let us start this session. We will discuss the second phase of this algorithm, that is generation of association mining rules in this session. Let us start this session. In previous session, we have considered this dataset, and in that dataset, we have applied phase 1 of a priori algorithm. In this process, first of all, we created C1, then we selected only those items which has frequency more than the threshold value, that is considered as L1. From L1, we have created C2 by joining L1 with itself. We obtained these 6 item pairs in C2. Then based on their frequency, we have selected L2 and we have selected 2 item pairs, bread jam and cornflake jams, which satisfy the threshold value of support. In this situation, we were not able to find out any C3 because there is no first item common. So C3 is null in this case. So finally, we have 2 item pairs, bread jam and cornflake jams for generation of rules. And in this session, we will generate the rules based on identified item sets. Here you can see that we have 2 item pairs. One is bread jam and second is cornflake jams. Let's create their rules. You know that there are 4 possibilities in this case. For bread jam, there are 2 possibilities. One is bread to jam and second is jam to bread. And same way for cornflakes jam, there are again 2 possibilities. One is cornflakes to jam and another is jam to cornflakes. So let us calculate their value of confidence. Let us find out the confidence for this bread jam. It will be equal to support of bread and jam divided by support of bread. Support of bread and jam is 3 divided by support of bread, which is 4. So its value will be 3 by 4, which is 75%. Let's do this for jam to bread. So its value will be support of bread and jam divided by support of jam. Support of bread and jam is 3 divided by support of jam, which is 4. So its frequency is 75%. Let's find out the confidence for cornflakes to jam, which is support of cornflakes and jam divided by support of cornflakes. Cornflakes and jam appear 3 times while cornflakes appear also 3 times. So its confidence is 100%. For jam to cornflakes, its formula will be support of jam and cornflakes divided by support of jams, which will be 3 divided by 4, 75%. Since all of them have a minimum value of 75% and this was our threshold value for confidence, so finally we can conclude that these are the 4 association mining rules which we have obtained for given data set. And we have obtained these rules by applying a priori algorithm. So this is all about this session. To read more on this, you can refer my book Data Mining and Data Warehousing, which is published by Cambridge University Press. This book is available in both Kindle and paperback format. I request all of you to subscribe this YouTube channel to receive latest video tutorials on topics like data mining, machine learning, big data, NoSQL and many more. We have created multiple online courses over Udemy platform. These courses are Simplified Approach to DBMS, Simplified Approach to SQL, Mastering PLSQL and Mastering Machine Learning. All these courses are available at Udemy platform. You can join these courses to learn these concepts. I have also authored books on DBMS, NoSQL, Beginning with SQL and PLSQL for beginners. All these books are available at Amazon platform. To read more about this, you can refer my website pratikbhatia.com. Thanks for watching this video.